Hey guys, and welcome into the garage. Today we're going to take a look at the 1994 Chevrolet S-10 SS/LS kit from AMT Ertl Models. 1/25th scale full detail kit. Initially it was released in 1994. It got a reissue in 1996 as the LS Sport side. In 1997 they reissued it as the Extreme, and that Extreme version got reissued one more time in 2002. And it is today's What's in the Box. Getting started with the body, and you can see it is molded in a shade of gray and is a multi-piece body. Taking a look at the frame parts tree, as you can see all the details are going to be separate, which is nice. And over this side we have the interior door panels, the spare tire, which is plastic, the wheel backs with two pieces, and the radiator. Moving on to the next parts tree, which has basically all the suspension pieces, some of the majority of the suspension pieces and frame pieces. So here we have on the left the lower control arms cross member with the sway bar, firewall, exhaust, two-piece, piping, intake. Here we have the fan, the fuel tank. Over there on the left we have the spindles. Then here, tie rod, engine compartment pieces, the rear axle, two-piece, and the left and right leaf springs. Now we're going to take a look at the engine and body parts tree. So here we have the front bumper, the rear bumper, choice 1, or option 1, the grille, dry shaft, and then what is bumper, rear bumper choice number 2. This is if you do the SS trim. And then here we have the side view mirrors and the center console piece. And now taking a look at the engine. As you can see, the engine block and transmission are molded as one, but it's sliced in two lengthwise. One neat thing about AMT during this era, they kind of did that. They opened up the cylinder holes on some of the engine blocks. Some of the engines. Neat detail that gets completely hidden once completed. Then moving on now to the next parts tree, which has some more interior pieces, the hood, the tailgate. We'll start with the interior bucket. Pretty light on basic. Here we have the dash, the steering wheel, steering column, instrument cluster. Here we have the hood and tailgate. And you can see the two-piece bucket seats. Now taking a look at the chrome parts tree, which you can see the chrome pieces are pretty minimal. You have wheels, mirrors, brakes, and grille. Take a look at the wheels. So up top you have the LS and SS wheels. The only difference is it'll be the hub, what color is painted. The LS will be painted black, and you'll dull coat the chrome. On the SS, you'll still dull coat the chrome, but the center cap will be chrome. You'll leave the center cap chrome on the SS. You have this set of wheels. I can't remember what. Anyways, now here you have the grille. This is going to be for the LS grille. The non-chrome grille will be for the SS because it gets body color painted. Taking a look now at the clear and transparent clear parts. Start with the clear part. We have the windshield, rear window, the instrument gauge cluster, green, clear. I have the headlight lenses and the driving light lenses, fog light lenses. And here we have the tail lights and the third mounted stoplight. Taking a look now at the decal sheet. See, it's has some, might do a fair amount of decals. You have a couple of license plate choices, and interior are the instrument gauge decal. Two choices of S-10 badging. You have the normal S-10 for the LS or then SS badging. Now we're going to take a look at the roundy rounds, and they're going to be a set of Firestones. Then we have the color chart with the interior and the interior colors listed. Typo there. Exterior, you have Midnight Black, Alpal Red, Frost White, Brilliant Blue Metallic, and Quicksilver. Interior, you have Beige, Blue, Graphite, and Gray. So that, my friends, is going to do it for this look at the 1994 Chevrolet S-10 LS/SS kit from AMT Ertl Models. Thank you so much for watching.